Today we will be looking at the sine rule and how we can use it to work out sides and angles of non-right angled triangles. This is important. We need to take that into consideration. So let me just first go ahead and tell you what actually is the sine rule. A, which is a side, divided by sine of an angle is equal to B divided by sine of angle B is equal to C divided by the sine of angle C. We can use this rule to work out missing side lengths of non-right angled triangles, such as in this question here. So let's try to apply this rule in this situation over here. So I already labeled the sides and the angles. So we will represent X, the side we're trying to find, by A. We'll represent B as the 30 centimeter side, and C as the side we are not given. So A, let's start off with A. X divided by sine of A, which is 38, is equal to B. B, in this case, is 13 centimeters divided by sine of the sine of angle B. Angle B is 100 degrees, so we're going to do sine of 100. Okay, we don't need the last part. What we'll do is we'll times both sides by sine of 38 to get rid of this denominator and to leave x on its own. So let's do that. And then times by sine of 38 both sides, which will give us x is equal to 13 sine of 38 divided by sine of 100. Now the question asks us to leave this to one decimal place, so that's what we'll do. Let's get our calculator out and work this out quickly. It is 8.1 to 1 decimal place. That is our answer. So this time we will use another rule specifically for angles. This rule states that the sine of an angle is divided by the side length is equal to sine of another angle divided by another side length is equal to sine of another angle divided by another side length. Now let's use this sine rule to work out the angle, unknown angle, in this question. There's a very simple trick to labeling these in a way which is very fast and efficient, is that we'll label them compared to their opposites. So x to 10 and 60 to 15. Okay, so sine of A, which I will label as x, divided by A, which is my 10, is equal to sine of 60, my angle, divided by my side length, which is 15. Now what I'll do is I'll times both sides by 10 to give us 10 sine of 60 divided by 15, and I'll take the inverse sign, which will cancel these signs out. Is going to give us 35.3 to 3 significant figures. There you go. Hope you liked the video, and I'll see you in a new lesson. Goodbye.